Good day, my name is Samuel Nwigwe, the Force Populations Officer of the Nigeria Police Force. On Rivers Unrest, IGP condemns killing of officers, security threat, and others investigations and heightened security in Rivers State. The Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria, IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun, Ph.D, NPM condemns in the strongest terms the recent outbreak of violence and subsequent breakdown of law and order at various local government council secretariats in Rivers State, where supporters of two political factions clashed over the tenure of local government council chairmen, which unfortunately led to the tragic death of a police officer, Inspector David Mgbada, and Samuel Nwigwe, a vigilante member at Eberi-Omuma in Omuma Local Government Area of Rivers State. In response to these heinous acts, the Inspector General of Police has directed the Commissioner of Police in Rivers State, CP Olatunji Disu, to heighten security measures across the state and institute thorough investigations into the killing of the police officer and the vigilante operative, as well as the general violence which erupted in the state. The Inspector General of Police has specifically deployed operatives of the Force Intelligence Response Team (IRT) to assist the Rivers State Command in apprehending the killers of the police officer and the vigilante member. The IGP seriously warns individuals and groups of people who have a penchant for senseless attacks and mindless killings of police officers and other security operatives across the country to desist forthwith, as the fullest force of the law may be meted on them. The CP has also been directed to focus on increased patrols, strategic deployment of officers, and enhanced intelligence operations to prevent further violence and ensure the safety of all residents. The IGP extends heartfelt condolences to the families, friends, and colleagues of the deceased police officer and the vigilante member, noting that their dedication and sacrifice in the line of duty will not be taken for granted. The Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria calls on all residents and political stakeholders in the state to exercise restraint and seek peaceful means of resolving differences. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.